How to change font on iPhone contacts. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, turn on the bold text option at the top. As you can see, all of the text on this screen has turned bold. After that, tap on larger text below. From this page, you can change the font size of the text. Go to the bottom and drag the slider to increase or decrease font size. Then, go back to the previous page. You can also manage the other display and text size settings from here. For example, increasing text size, reducing transparency, increasing contrast, and more. Now, go back and open up any app to view the font style and sizes. Following these steps, you can easily change font on iPhone contacts.